with the angle picked up beautifully. What a start for Yasir as well, matching Maaz for the initial 6.
Mohammad Nawaz on that occasion, it was easy pickings for Yasir. All he had to do was pick the length, put the knee down.
Smashing blow. That has gone way back into the second tier. What a strike from Yasir to close out the first over. And what a start, 19 for none.
वहाँ पर अपने फास्ट बॉलर से आकिब जावेद इस वक्त बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं और यासिर को 4 रन मिले। ये जख्मों पर नमक के मुतरादिफ वाली उम्दा शॉट खेला, निहायत दिलकश अंदाज में, रिस्ट पर काबिल-ए-दीद था यासिर का।
Wonderful shot this. Beautiful execution, and it really has been a display of great cricketing strokes from Yasir today.
Have a look at that. There you go. The bent front knee, head over the ball and bang. And look at how it flew away. Take a picture. This has gone massively big. Once again, it's Yasir and he brings up his 50 in grand style. What a knock from Yasir in the big final. It started off with a 6 against Nawaz and he gets to his 50 with another of Nawaz.
And it's Nawaz again on the receiving end. Just have a look at this, where it goes. Kept going. Nawaz is also just darting them in, asking for trouble.
Look at it go. It went and went almost into the second tier of that stand.
खासे मौलिक साबित हुए बॉलर्स के लिए। और एक और दिल का शॉट, यहाँ पर फील्डर ने भी उनकी मदद की। 4 रन मिल गए और ये खतरनाक घड़ी है। आहिस्ता खेला, यहाँ पर दूसरा रन बनाने का इरादा है। और विकेटों के दरमियान खूबसूरत रनिंग, जो 48 रन की इनिंग्स खेली थी। और शानदार शॉट, याफत का पुतला यासिर अब 70 पर पहुंच गए और ये गेंद खत्म हुई जाकर सीढ़ियों के मिड में।
यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सा भी चूकेंगे तो आपको अपनी गलती का नुकसान उठाना पड़ेगा। बिल्कुल लेंथ बॉल दे दी थी इस मर्तबा, ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं है निसार, इसलिए बासानी यासिर ने थोड़ा सा अपनी अगली टांग को क्लियर किया और ये देखें बॉटम हैंड बीच में आया, एंगल के साथ ये 6 रन हासिल किए।
इस पोजीशन से एक बार फिर उम्दा प्लेसमेंट, 2 फील्डर वहां पर मौजूद हैं, लेकिन आज दिन नहीं कुछ ऐसा है और ये इसकी बेहतरीन झलक थी इस दिन की यूएमटी मार्कोर्स के लिए। इस पर झुक नहीं सके फील्डर निसार। 4 रन।
The faces of the fielders too. Oh, he's flicked that one for 4. That is quality.
And he does. And this one is a monster. It's huge and it's out of the park. Security having to take cover. This is something they're there to provide.
Oh, that's a massive hit. Covers the line. Knee down. The ball up in the air. That is a strong shot. Massive hit. This boy is so strong. 94 he moves up to. And flat bats it. Flat bats it for 6. Oh, that's 100 for him. Sensational, and what a match to choose to score his first 100 of the tournament. That is a top-class 100 from a top-class player. Yasir Khan, take a bow. You played a fantastic knock.
Magnificent this from Yasir. What a 100, what an occasion, and what a way to bring it up. And he thanks the God, goes down and prostrates. And look at the teammates, look at the joy.
Scoring 100 in the final. And again, it's up in the air. Fielder coming under. Who takes it? It had to be Nawaz, one of the safest fielder in UMT Marco's team. And that ends a fantastic knock of 100 of 57 deliveries.
Just he didn't get it in the middle. And the idea was right. After hitting 2 big balls and getting 100, all the confidence was there. But this time, not the same timing. But still, I think he's done a great job for his team.